Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Cream Finance using the FTX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX app, then go to the invest section, which is on the left side of the screen. And here you have two choices. You can either go to the search bar to start typing in the crypto that you are looking for, Cream Finance in our case, or you can also go to scroll down a little bit to the tradable assets, and it's set to crypto, and you can search this list because it shows the most popular cryptos, so it can be useful to find some hidden cryptos, some new cryptos to invest in. So we just found Cream Finance because it's close to the top of the list, and here you can see some statistics regarding this crypto in the last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year. And if you scroll even below that, you can see the volume traded in the last 24 hours, which is 2 million, 2.3 million. The popularity, it's the 6,800th coin. The market capital, which is not showing up, I don't know why, and the circulating supply also not showing up. Below that, you can read some informations all about the coin, and if you scroll down, you can see the news regarding Cream Finance. Now, if you decided to invest, you just have to tap on buy, which is going to open up the buying page for Cream Finance, and you can go on and type the amount of coins that you would like to purchase and go on with your purchase. I'm not showing this right now because I don't want to share my personal information here on YouTube, but that's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.